Greetings from outer space! Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gigantamax Orbeetle. If you must know what Gigantamax Orbeetle is, like the finally evolved form of the original Orbeetle. If you must know, Orbeetle is like one of my most favorite characters in the game. And if a GX card, if they ever release a VMAX card, and if they do, can you please lend me a spare one if you have any? Anyways, next up, okay, let's get started. There's his head. Anyways, I'm just gonna point up here. Anyways, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his head. That was easy. Next up, you just gotta draw a few lines here. Okay, there's his arm, there's his body. Next up, you just gotta draw his arm here. And done. There's his legs. Okay. Okay, there's his arm. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his underside. And here's his... Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his light down here. That shows his Gigantamax glow. And finally, here's his Gigantamax aura, the clouds that surround his body. And done. And now that that's done, I'll see you guys next time. That's how you draw a Gigantamax Orbeetle. And be sure to like and subscribe and tell all your friends about the next video. And I'll see you guys later. Here we go, Gigantamax Orbeetle.